guys, there's gonna be an earthquake today. I'm really scared. I want to be dead. I'll show you a picture of me. I could put it. But I'm real crying. My eyes are watery. Yeah, let's just go. Just gonna close the door. I'm out of the window, see? I'm just closing it right now. Because but the earthquake's gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Earthquake! Get inside here. Come on, leave up. This is an earthquake. Get inside here. Get inside. Get inside. Inside. You're gonna leave that like that. Go there. Go there. You go there. Yeah, you guys can't see us. We have to sit. Come on, let's just sit. This is the perfect place. And you will never get in. Oh. Let's check. But nothing is destroyed here, but just wait like a couple sentences. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip. But it's for real. It's annoying. You hear that, you guys? No, I'm not moving it. I'm not moving it, right, Kevin? Everything's moving. A bear pizza, okay? I'm scared. Look, but you can't see this. It's moving. I know, but it's not gonna. This thing's not gonna break for us because we are like so cool. Yeah, it's kidding. Oh no! The thing's already down. The thing's already down. Yeah. I'm really scared in here. Are you going outside? No. Because today's the biggest earthquake. But it doesn't look like it. Well, bye guys. We'll leave you. Yeah. I'm going out. Come on, let's go out. Whoa. Somebody help me get out. Sorry guys, I might end this video as I sound like that. End the video.